Hello everyone, welcome to Law Learning School. Today we are discussing some important MCQs of Indian Contract Act 1872. Then first question is, in an executed contract the obligation of the both option A, both the party have been fulfilled, option B, both the party are outstanding, C, obligation of one party is outstanding, is D, none of these. Then right answer is A, both the party have been fulfilled. अब हम बात कर लेते हैं एग्जीक्यूटेड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होते कौन से. Executed contract, a contract is called executed when both the contract completely fulfill their obligation. बोला जब both party जो contracting party है वो completely अपनी obligation जो को completely fulfill कर लेती हैं तब बोला जाता है that contract is executed contract. Okay. Next question is, a contract with or by a minor is ऐसा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो किसी माइनर के साथ किया जाए और किसी माइनर के द्वारा किया जाए. देन दैट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज ऑप्शन ए वैलिड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, बी वॉइड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, सी वॉइडेबल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, डी वॉइडेबल एट द ऑप्शन ऑफ आइदर पार्टी. देन राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी वॉइड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द टर्म कंसिडरेशन इज डिफाइंड इन सेक्शन ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट 1872. कंसिडरेशन टर्म है वो डिफाइन की गई है कौन से सेक्शन में? ऑप्शन ए सेक्शन 2 सब क्लॉज ए, बी सेक्शन 2 सब क्लॉज डी, एंड ऑप्शन सी इज सेक्शन 3 सब क्लॉज ए एंड सेक्शन 2 सब क्लॉज एच. देन राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी सेक्शन 2 सब क्लॉज डी. ओके. Next is, an agreement by way of Bezer under section 30 is voidable. Option C is a valid and option D is unenforceable. Then right answer is void agreement. Okay. The next question is, a contingent contract. Option A void contract, B never become void, and C become void when the event become impossible. Option D is voidable. Then right answer is option C, become void when the event become impossible. Okay. The next question is, a quasi contract lacks. Option A agreement, option B consent, option C both, option D none of these. Then right answer is option C both. क्वासी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में ना तो पहले से कोई एग्रीमेंट होता है ना तो कंसेंट होती है. ओके. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, एन एग्रीमेंट एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आर वन एंड सेम थिंग. क्या कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड एग्रीमेंट जो है वो सेम थिंग है? देन ऑप्शन ए इज अ ट्रू, ऑप्शन बी इज अ फॉल्स, एंड ऑप्शन सी इज अ डिपेंड ऑन द सिचुएशन, एंड ऑप्शन डी इज नन ऑफ दीज. देन राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी फॉल्स. The next question is, two person have the capacity to contract. भी दोनों जो पर्सन जो है वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं तो उनकी कैपेसिटी क्या होनी चाहिए? इफ बोथ आर नॉट ऑफ साउंड माइंड, इफ none is disqualified from contracting by any law to which he is subject, and option C is if both have attained the age of majority, and option D is all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए पार्टीज जो है वो पहले तो साउंड माइंड होनी चाहिए और एज जो है उनकी मेजर होनी चाहिए, 18 प्लस होनी चाहिए, और किसी भी लॉ के द्वारा डिक्लेयर नहीं किए होने चाहिए. ओके. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, अ माइनर इज अ पर्सन हु हैज नॉट अटेन द एज ऑफ मेच्योरिटी. माइनर किसे बोला जाता है, किस पर्सन को बोला जाता है? देन ऑप्शन ए इज 15 years, ऑप्शन बी इज 18 years, ऑप्शन सी इज 21 years, एंड ऑप्शन डी इज 25 years. देन राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी 18 years. 18 years जब तक किसी पर्सन के कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाते तब तक वो पर्सन जो है वो माइनर ही रहता है. ओके. The next question is, a contract can be performed by promisor himself. Option B is agent of the promisor, and option C is legal representative of a promisor, and D is either of these three. Then right answer is D. Okay. The next question is, the term quid pro quo is applied in the connection with option A, capacity of a parties, option B, consideration, and C is a free consent, and D, legality of object. Then right answer is option B, consideration. Okay. The next question is, in a contract not specifying the time for performance, the promisor can perform the contract. Option A, immediately, option B, within the shortest time, and C, within reasonable time, and D, within next 21 days. Then right answer is C, within reasonable time. में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को परफॉर्म करने के लिए विद इन रिजनेबल टाइम ही परफॉर्म किया जाना चाहिए. ओके. द नेक्स्ट is the void agreement is one which is option A, valid but not enforceable, B, enforceable at the option of both the parties, and C, enforceable at the option of one party, and D, not enforceable in a court, tribunal of law. Then D is our right answer. Okay, not enforceable in a court or a tribunal of law. The next question, when the consent of a party is not free, then that contract is. जब किसी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में पार्टी की जो कंसेंट है वो फ्री नहीं होगी, then that contract is void. Option B is voidable, option C is valid, and option D is illegal. Then that type of contract is voidable. Okay. Next is a consideration must move at the desire of option A, promisor, option B, promisee, option C, any other person, and option D, any of these. Then right answer is a promisor. Okay. Then next is ordinarily a minor's agreement is void ab initio. Option B is voidable. Option C is valid. Option D is unlawful. Then minor's agreement is a void ab initio. Okay. Next is, in case of illegal agreement, the collateral agreement are option A, valid, option B, void, and option C is voidable, and option D is any of these. Then right answer is void. Okay. And next question is, on the valid performance of contractual obligation by the parties, the contract is option A is discharged, option B become enforceable, C become void, and D none of these. Then right answer is discharged. Okay. Then next question is, a contract is discharged by rescission, which means the option A, change in one or more term of a contract, B, acceptance or lesser performance, and C is the abandonment of right by a party, and D is cancellation of existing contract. Then right answer is D, cancellation of existing contract. The next question, in case of breach of contract, which of the following remedy is available to aggrieved party? Okay. Then option A, suit of rescission, suit for damages, suit for specific performance, and all of these. Then right answer is all of these. D is the right answer. The next question is, avoidable contract is one which can be enforced at the option of aggrieved party, can be enforced at the option of both parties, can be enforced in a court, tribunal of law. And option D is a court prohibits. Then A is the right answer. Can we enforce at the option of aggrieved party? Okay. And next question. A agreed to sell his car worth 1 lakh to B and for 20,000 only, and A consent was obtained by coercion. उसने consent ली है coercion के द्वारा. Here the agreement is void agreement, valid agreement, voidable, and D unlawful. Then right answer is voidable. The next question is, when the consent to an agreement is obtained by coercion, the agreement is voidable at the option of either party to agreement. Option B, a party those consent was so obtained, and option C, a party who obtained consent, and option D is none of these. The right answer is option B, a party those whose consent was so obtained. The next question is, a party entitled to rescind the contract loses the remedy here where option A, he has ratified the contract, and B, third party has acquired the right in good faith, and D, contract is not separable and rescission is shout of party only, and D, all of these. Then right answer is all of these. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching, and if यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है then do like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay.